Hello everyone, welcome back to Simple Networkings. In this video, we are going to see how to configure the inter-VLAN routing using router on stick. So here is the topology in which there is a router and switch is connected and some of the devices are connected here. And two different VLANs we have created on this switch. So one is data VLAN and the VLAN would be 10 and Wi-Fi VLAN would be 20. Okay, so in this router we are going to divide into the two sub interfaces and two different VLAN we are going to configure. VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 we are going to configure for the router on stick. Okay, so the pre-configuration is done for the PC, means the IP address is assigned to this PC for the time saving. So we will quickly go and do the configuration for the switch and router. Step one is we need to assign the IP address. The IP address is already assigned. So we are done for this step one. Now step two we want to do. So steps two is creating the VLAN onto the L3 switch. Okay. So by the way, we have created the inter-VLAN routing using SVI. The video is already available in our channel. The link will be given in the description and icon. Now we are going to create the VLAN onto the layer 2 switch. So first we need to create the VLAN. So enable config t. So we need to create VLAN 10. The name is data VLAN, and we can create VLAN 20 here, and name is Wi-Fi we are going to give. Okay, so show IP. So VLAN brief. So VLAN brief, we can see VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. VLAN 10 we have named as data, VLAN 20 we have named as Wi-Fi, and there is no active interface. And we need to bind the interface to the respective VLAN. Okay. So for time saving, anyway, these PCs are connected in the next to next interfaces. So this two PC we are going to use as a data VLAN, because PC we are going to use data and laptop we are going to use wireless VLAN, right? So this is phase fast ethernet 0/1 and this is fast ethernet 0/2. So we are going to configure into the range command for the time saving. Interface range fa 0/1 hyphen 2. Okay, then switch port access VLAN 10, then interface range fa 0/3 hyphen 4. Okay, so 1 and 2 would be VLAN 10 and 3 and 4 interface would be VLAN 20. So VLAN interface 3 and 4 I'm going to create as a VLAN 20 switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, done. Now this part is over. Now I'm going to configure this end switches. Interface range fa 0 5 0/5 hyphen 6 switch port access VLAN. This is our PC, so VLAN 10. Then interface range fa 70/7 8 switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, so we have created the VLAN and the L2 switches, and the specific VLAN is binded to the specific interface. Now coming out, type show VLAN brief. If you see here, VLAN data VLAN is 10 and fast Ethernet 1 2 5 6. Okay, so 1 2 5 6. 1 2 is the data VLAN and 5 6 is the data VLAN. Okay, so same way we can see this two interface would be the Wi-Fi VLAN. Okay, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 would be the VLAN. Now we need to make this interface as the trunk interface, because trunk interface will allow the multiple VLAN, right? So fast 0/9 we need to mark it as trunk interface 0/9 switch. So the command is switch port mode trunk to make this FA faster than 0/9 is the trunk interface. Okay, if you come show interface trunk. Alright, now we are going to configure the inter-VLAN routing using encapsulation. Okay, now we are in step 3. I will just keep here. Now going to the router, enable. I will just keep the screen in this way so to see easily. Okay, config 3 interface gigaethernet 0/0/0 0/0/0/0.1, because we are going to creating the sub interface to do the router on stick, right? So dot one, then encapsulation dot one q, then we are going to assign 10. So 10 means we are going to assign VLAN 10, right? So here the encapsulation type is dot one dot q is used for the frames tagging between two different VLAN 10 and 20. Then we need to give the IP address. So what is the IP address we need to give? Is data VLAN IP address is 192.168.1.0, right? So 192.168.1.1 is the IP address. Then we need to give subnet mask 255.255.255.0, because here we have used /24 subnet, so we need to use /0. So coming out, and we need to give same here. So we are going to create one more sub interface dot 2, and we are going to encapsulation 20. For this IP address is 192.168.2.0, so we are going to use as 2.1 here. Okay, again, now if you type show IP interface brief. Okay, we have created this one, but the interface is not up, so we need to turn on the interface. So config the interface to bring up the interface, no shut. Okay, so interface is now up. If you see here, now the interface is up. Okay, now we will try to ping the IP addresses. Now if you go back to this switch, okay, if you type show interface trunk, so previously there was no output because the interface was not up, because the router interface we are not turned on, right? Now we have turned on, so the now switch interface is up. It is giving the output for the show interface trunk. Okay, if you see here show interface trunk, we have made it as a trunk, right? So it will be allow the 802.1.q encapsulation. Okay, if you see here, we have allowed that VLAN 10 and 20. VLAN 1 is the by default VLAN. Now we will go to PC1. We will try to ping. Okay, ping 192.168.1.1 is the gateway of the switch. It is accessible. Okay, now we will try to ping the 2.1 of the next subnet. I mean the wireless subnet. So that is also success. Okay, now what we will do, we will try to ping from this PC to this PC, this laptop IP address is 192.168.2.10. We will try to ping 192.168.2.10. Yeah, it is start communicating. Same way we will try to access this laptop 2.30. We will try to access. Yeah, done. So now we able to communicate to different VLAN from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. PCs are communicating using router on stick. Okay. So I will quickly summarize what we have done, okay, so far. Okay. So first step is we need to assign the IP address of this PC. So the IP address is range is given here. So this range of the IP is assigned to the specific PC and laptop. This is first step. And second step, we have created the VLAN. So VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 we have created, and VLAN 10 name we have given as data VLAN, and VLAN I will just show you here in the here VLAN 20 we have given as the Wi-Fi. Okay. And after creating the VLAN, we have binded the specific interfaces to the specific VLAN. Okay. So this is steps 2. Steps 3 is we have created the virtual interface for VLAN 10 and the IP address is given is 1.1/24, and virtual interface is created for 20 VLAN 20 and the given IP address is 2.1. So this is the done here. If you see here, virtual interface is connected and this is the IP address. Okay. And VLAN 20 we have created the virtual interface and the IP address is 2.1. Okay. After creating this all these things, now we are able to communicate each other from PC to laptop, laptop to PC. So I hope this video is very helpful to how to configure the router on stick for inter-VLAN routing. If you have any doubt, please feel free to write the comments in the comment box. Thank you. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.